Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you my Lego city I have here, and the main part of the city is the road going straight through it, and I built a custom traffic light that's right on top of it, and also there's a bridge going straight over it. And let's stop right here on the bridge for a second, because we have to point out that we have nicknames for all Lego characters. So if you don't understand what I mean, it's because we have a nickname for it. So Steve and Mr. Lego are here on the bridge, and they're talking to each other. And as we go along, Batman and Wonder Woman are over here by my sister's shop. So Batman is greeting everybody coming into the shop, and Wonder Woman's coming in the shop. Then there's the skyscraper over here, and then this mail place, the post office, that has this hood, this vehicle hood I used for a cover. Then we have Ninja Guy putting in a parcel, or like a package. And then Mr. Brawley, he's walking outside, getting out of the post office. And then Girl right here, she's putting in her mail into the post box. So let's keep on going. And now we have these vehicles here. 2 of these are from videos I've already created that are about to or have come out. And as we go along, we also have this garbage truck here, which is from a Lego set. And then we have this neighborhood over here. Let's keep on turning. So we have a lot of houses that are very colorful. And then we have 2 trees that you've seen probably before if you're a long-time viewer on this channel. And some plants. And also there's this guy walking up the stairs to cross the bridge. And Daisy Duck is just walking along, minding her day. And that's basically a simple tour. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!